Okay, so this is my little banner I'm making for my daughter. Today's her birthday, and I got a lot of shit to do. I should have been did this. So, here we go. Got me some chalk.
Welcome back to the Real Housewives of Atlanta Season 17 reunion. Pinky, it has been reported in the filings that you listed your home to be surrendered. Can you give more details about that?
My personal home is not being surrendered.
It's another home that you own.
I have a portfolio of several properties, and some of those properties are upside down. And because they're upside down, I said, shit, I can't do nothing with them anyway.
Did you list your monthly income in the filings as like $6,000?
Yes, my personal. So if you must know, yes, I pay $80 in gas a month, and I pay $300 for care for my children. Yes.
That's like it's your expenses. Basically.
It's my expenses. Big network. Yes. The ink is not dry yet.
That's great. Justine from Toronto said, Drew, if you only planned on supporting Pinky, why even leave your house to attend the casting call?
Oh, well, because I told Pinky I would come, and I did take that leap to show up for you.
Why are you on my casting call?
I appreciate it.
You relate on my project.
Are you gonna stop now? It's gonna be nice.
I'm sorry. But the way that she said it was like a dream. Like I don't do any projects. Granted, it was the last minute. So you had time to email her team and do it wasn't about time. To be honest with you,
Well, see, that's the problem. So it's not
I sent you the project.
but when I asked you to follow the protocol because I am part of the union, you didn't.
Okay, so this is the final look, I guess. I guess it's cute. So I gotta cut it, hang it over. So yeah, that's not bad though. Okay. Alright, so I'm about to go to SouthPark, get Raina's stuff. So let's go. In my phone. Yes, in my phone. Wallet. I don't know what the
There was a Lord Metro body spray and then the Moxie Scare bath bomb.
Alright, got the goods. Yours. And now I have to go somewhere. I gotta go to Coach. Let's go to Coach. Back in my car. Okay, I'm a little nervous recording with these glasses, but I ain't driving with them, bitch. I almost ran into somebody. Take them off. It's 103. I do want to get them back to him. Over this. So I want to run into Clear's. See if they got some bags on. I'm starting by the way. It's hard for the black. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything in the bag. So, got the Lord Mistral body spray from Lush. Y'all check out Lush if y'all never been. It's organic and all that. Got her some touching spray. What is this? Vanilla Blossom. It probably will smell good. I got her a Coach purse. Really cute. I wish it came with a duster, but it doesn't. Because I didn't order offline. It was on clearance. I got her some Sour Patch Kids. Got her Fleur Afterglow. It's really pretty. Let me show y'all. See how much time I got. Little rain, my rain going off. It's glowing up. Isn't it cute? It smells really good. I think it has like amber, and I'm an amber girly. So, put her little samples in here. And then in the purse, I got her, Bryson, me and her are going to go see Bryson Tiller. So I hope she's excited about that. Gotta go get some tissue paper. I'm gonna put these in her purse. I think I have an extra lip gloss too. I might give her, put in her purse, put in her little purse. And I made her that. And yeah. And then I'm using my meta glasses, y'all. I'm trying to get used to filming without thinking. Alright, so let me see if I got an extra lip gloss in my eyes. Get that situated.